back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a couple things that I just purchased from Louis Vuitton. So I did a video a couple months ago. I will link it right now for you guys if you want to check it out. But it was all about how I get a hold of these hard to find, sold out Louis Vuitton bags. It did pretty well, so I'm really glad that you guys are interested in stuff like that. So I thought I would film a video on two items that I just got last week. I have been wanting these two items for so long. And if you watched my other Louis Vuitton video about how I get a hold of these items, I was not successful doing it that way, but I was successful going into the store and finding them there. And it was so crazy because literally that night after I got these two items in store, I checked my wish list online and both were available. So you just never know. You just always have to keep checking, go into the store. Just if you really want that item, then be persistent because you will get your hands on it. The one that I just haven't been able to get yet is the Nano Speedy. Keeping my fingers crossed that I can get a hold of it soon. It is my birthday month and yeah, I just want to treat myself. Even though I treated myself with these two items I'm about to show you, but it's my birthday month, so gotta treat yourself, right? I'm going to start with the smaller of the two items that I got and show you guys what I got. Okay, here is the inside of the box and the little tiniest dust bag, so cute. Here she is. I got the key pouch in the monogram print. Pretty much monogram is the only print that I like from Louis Vuitton. I'm like a monogram crazy person, but I have been wanting this key pouch ever since I got a dupe off of Amazon that's a key pouch as well, and I literally use that thing all the time. Like, so I had to have this. And if you open it up, it has the sticker with the item number and then just a little Louis Vuitton card that says coated fabric, made in the US. And then it also has a little clip that you can clip to your keys. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna clip it to my keys, keep my keys inside when this is in my bags. And you might not think it can fit a lot, but it can fit just all of your cards, your ID, just anything you need. And I'm gonna use this for when I'm just like quickly going somewhere and I don't wanna bring my whole purse. Like this would be perfect for that. And yeah, this baby is just always sold out and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. She's just the cutest. I actually hid this from my husband. He doesn't know that I got this because he kind of got mad at me that I even got this other item I'm about to show you. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna like slowly bring it out. And if he asks me any questions, I'm gonna be like, babe, I've had this for a while, like, duh. So yes, this is the key pouch. It retails for $215 and I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm so glad I got a hold of this. I think it's just so cute and just, you could use it all the time. And that's what I plan on doing. And yeah, I have seen it available on Louis Vuitton's website a couple times, but as soon as I place it in my cart and go to check out, it's already sold out. So just really be on it, you guys. If you see an item that is hard to find and it's on sale, just be prepared to buy it right then and there or you're gonna lose out on it. So I'm really thankful that when I went into the store, they had this available because even the employee helping me out, she's like, yeah, we never have the monogram print available. They have other prints, but I love me some monogram. I don't know why they gave me this huge ass box for this next item, but they did. If you look inside, it just takes up like half of the area in there, so. Something that I did learn when I was at the Louis Vuitton store, I told the employee how I'm really good with all my bags. I keep them in the dust bag, in the boxes when I'm not using them. But she actually told me that it's not good to keep the bags inside the boxes. Of course, it's good in the dust bag so it doesn't get dusty. But she said that the canvas needs to breathe. So I need to start building some shelves so all of my bags can breathe, I guess, but I like keeping them in the boxes, and yeah, but anyways, just thought I'd throw that in there. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So this is the Toiletry Pouch 26. They do make a 19 and a 15. So obviously the 19 and 15 are smaller sizes. I actually have the 15, let me grab it. So this is the 15 and the 26 side by side to each other. The 19 is just like the middle size of the two. And I, of course, have been wanting this for the longest time. It's always sold out. It is a toiletry bag, so it's meant to just put all your toiletries, makeup in, and use it for when you travel, but I have seen a lot of people use this as just a clutch for going out, and that's what I intend to use it for. I think it is the perfect size for a clutch, and I love the inside of the toiletry bags because it's not cloth or any type of fabric. It's kind of the same material as the canvas, so it's super easy to clean up if you get anything on it. I use the smaller toiletry pouches in all of my handbags, and actually have like some money and lip gloss in this one. And I've gotten lipstick on the inside of this, and I just wipe it away with a wet paper towel and dry it off, and it's no big deal. So I'm really excited that I got my hands on this size. There are no straps or anywhere to put a strap on here. It's just the pouch, and then you have this, and it zips closed. So you can hold it like this. You could put it under your arm. You can just hold it like that. And it really holds a lot. I actually haven't used it yet, but the inside is just pretty big. I have seen online that I am going to get, I just need to research a better one. You can get an insert to put inside of the bag, and then it has holes on the inside of the insert so that you can attach a strap to it. And there are openings on the side to where you can pull a strap through. So I think I'm gonna do that because it'd be really cute with a strap as well. So yeah, I'm gonna look into that. If you guys know of a place I can get something like that, please leave me a comment below so I can check those out, because I really wanna convert this into a shoulder bag or a crossbody as well. It retails for $520, and it's worth it. It's just super cute. I'll show you guys the side by side again with the Toiletry 15. And the Toiletry 15, I believe, is $415. Let me look, I'm on the website right now. Yes, $415 for this little guy. And I use the Toiletry 15 in all of my bags. I don't feel like this one would fit in any bags unless the bag was really big. So it's kind of why I want the 19 now. I'm horrible, you guys. If you guys want to know the way that I get a hold of these bags online, then I will link that video, and you guys can check out all my tips and tricks on how to get hard sold out pieces from Louis Vuitton. That's gonna wrap up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I think I'm gonna share some of my other Louis Vuittons that I have, just because they're super helpful to me whenever I wanted to purchase a bag or not. I love seeing people just hold them for themselves, talk about it, what fits inside, all that stuff. So I really hope this video helped you guys out if you're interested in the key pouch or the Toiletry Pouch 26. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, or please, if you know a seller or a store where I could find the insert for this pouch, please let me know. I would be forever grateful for that. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
Do you guys ever like smell stuff? It smells so good. I'm a weirdo.